Okay, so in this video we'll be dealing with article 101 that deals with vacation of seats. In this clause 1, 2, 3 and 4 are there. Okay, so as per that article 101 clause 1, it deals with that no member can be a member of both the house of the parliament, that is the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. He have to give a resign in one of the houses. Okay, article 101 clause 2, that deals with no member can be a member of state legislative as well as the member of the house of the parliament. So that is also one thing. Article 101 clause 3, that deals with basically that if the person is disqualified on the basis of article 102 clause 1 and 2, that deals with what? Disqualification on the basis of party change or disqualification on the basis of disqualification. So that at that time the seat is vacant. Okay, article 101 clause 4, that deals with that is there will be a vacation of seats will be declared if a member is absent for 60 days. In that, when we count the 60 days, we don't consider the adjourn period as well as the prolonged period. So that is not counted. So in these 4 cases, the seat of a member can be declared as a vacant. So I hope you got it. Thank you.